Rogue Wing, Coraline, or Helen RD over at Starship Modeler. Welcome to the workshop. Okay, decided to do another in-box review. This time, looking at the 1/1000th scale Space Cruiser Yamato, or as you Americans might remember her, the Argo from Star Blazers. This is the 1/1000th kit put out by Bandai quite some time ago, judging by the illustrations on the box. What we get, in typical Bandai fashion, is a number of multicolored sprues. Start with the red lower hull pieces. The idea here, I think, is to minimize the amount of painting the new builder has to do. This bag over here, we've got the second set, well, we've got two sprues in here. We've got your darker gray sprue, which has your base, a lot of your guns, as well as the engines, well, the main engine. And then you've got the lighter gray sprue, which has your shot cannon, which are multi-part so that you can raise and elevate them. The multi-part bridge tower, and the main feature of the Yamato, or at least her best known feature, the wave motion cannon. That piece lacks some of the details seen in the illustration, but it definitely represents the hole in the bow of the ship. Instructions are fairly clear. Only drawback being they are purely in Japanese. So any of the dialogue here, a non-Japanese reader may find some difficulty in trying to read. But the steps are all spelled out nice and clearly. And just following the arrows and the part numbers, you can get a good gauge of how the ship herself will go together. There isn't a painting guide in here, although I'm sure some of the Japanese instructions give some suggestions. So what you may wind up having to work with is the hull illustration, or not hull illustrations, the illustrations that are on the box. And of course, going to YouTube. All in all, this should probably prove to be an interesting kit to work with.